Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Football Manager on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to the Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our Steam website. So let's go ahead and open the link. So once you click on this link, you'll see this sort of interface. So the first step is to download the Steam application on your PC. So let's go ahead and click on install Steam, and what you have to do is click on the install Steam icon, and then you'll be able to open the Steam on your PC. So next, if you have an account, you just need to log into your account, or else what you can do is create an account. So just click on create an account and fill in the information, and your Steam account will be created. So I have already done that process, so I'm going to directly open the Steam application. So here, this is my Steam application. So now what you have to do is over here you can see the search button. Click over here, and now let's search for our game. So the game is Football Manager. So here you can see this is our game. So as you can see, this game is on a whopping 50% discount, where you get the game at only $20. So here you will be able to see add to cart option. So I have already added it in my cart. So click on here. Here you can see this is our game. So next, what you have to do is just click on continue to payment, and over here you have to enter your payment information, and then after you have done your payment, you will see this game on your library, from where you will be able to download and play this game on your PC or laptop. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to download and install Football Manager on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.